Well, the number of cases in India has risen past 15,000. It's day 5 of phase 2 of the national lockdown. Cases are now at 15,712. The total number of fatalities has reached 507. Over 2,000 people have recovered from coronavirus across India, which makes for a recovery rate of over 14%. Mortality rate, on the other hand, is at 3.3%. We're in the second phase of the lockdown, and after the first phase that showed a tremendous amount of impact, the second period will have 2 focus points: testing, tracing, and fighting back. Let's go across to Amandeep, joining us live this morning. Amandeep, what's your location and what sort of measures are you seeing on day 5 of the second phase of the lockdown?
Yes, exactly, Niranjan. This is the lockdown phase 2, and now the Chandigarh administration has declared the contained zone for the entire Chandigarh and decided to put all of those in the quarantine period of 14 days, whosoever visiting from outside the Chandigarh. And this is the decision they have taken last night in a marathon meeting, just because 2 more cases have been reported positive in the city. And if we talk about the numbers in the Chandigarh, 23 positive cases have been reported so far, and out of that 11 has been recovered and discharged. Though the recovery rate is quite high, but administration still not in position to take any kind of risk. And even if we talk about the relaxations, that administration denied any kind of relaxation in the Chandigarh, they will definitely committed to deliver the essential commodities to the doorsteps, and the practice will continue. This is what they have revealed in the last night meeting. They said no such relaxation will be given in the Chandigarh for the residents. Even the door-to-door screening is still happening, just because they have decided to test all the residents of the Chandigarh and screen them properly. If anybody found symptomatic, he will be shifted to the quarantine or isolation center immediately and sampled, and after it reported positive, he will be shifted to the exclusive COVID-19 hospital. So right now I'm standing in sector 44 of Chandigarh. I can show you the visuals. This is closed market. The visuals remain like this from the very first day of the lockdown. Though we have entered into the phase 2 of lockdown, there are certain essential commodities that has been relaxed from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is the kind of time they have given for the residents to purchase their essential commodities, to visit the market, but without any cars. Only one from each family can visit the market to purchase anything essential. This is the kind of position. And even if we talk about the VVIP areas, the VVIP areas are under a strict surveillance of police. They have started strict patrolling in that area, especially in the morning and the evening.